decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow Jesus. No turning back, no turning back, no turning back, no turning back.
From One Blue, and I'm the class prefect. My name is Shaban Karisa. I'm in Form 1 Blue and I'm Kat's friend.
My name is Mark Mekan, Form 1 Blue from Loreto High, and I love my school.
My name is Kevin Kigo from Loreto, and I'm proud to be a Kenyan, and I'm from Nairobi.
My name is Joseph Mulanga from Nakuru Secondary School, Form 1.
My name is Moses from One Blue, and I'm from Njoro. I'm proud of my school.
My name is Alfaris Maina. I'm from Gilgil. I'm the volleyball captain.
Peter Gatundu, 100. I'm the rugby captain.
Yes, as you can see, these are my few friends and also my classmate. And then I'm glad to be here. This is our school, the Loreto that I've been talking about. And you can see as the pictures, the video has been taken by Dominic before. And I'm also, some of my friends, they have also taken a video. So you're going to have a watch at it. And I would like to thank all of you, because you can see now I'm in school and I'm also learning and everything is fine with me. So thank you so much. And then others are still in class. We are about 122 students in our class, but others have gone to the football field, others are still playing, and some are also busy. So these are few friends of mine. So thank you so much.
It was so fantastic. I've enjoyed. The lift was so nice. So about to see class 7 class communities. Yeah. The village. I've learned about some communities. We have talked I learned about some communities in Kenya that we have never seen, their culture. We have seen some houses that we have never seen. They were enjoyable. So nice. They enjoyed. They saw how disease hats they look like, how the Kamba village, how it looks like.
All the village.
Yeah, we saw all the villages. Yeah, thank you. And we enjoyed.
And I've never seen those villages, and we are happy.
The trip was so cool. It was so fantastic. We are enjoyed, and we will remember this day.
It was a cool day, as cool as cucumber. It has been a big day. Thank you.
This is the day I'll never forget. Thank you.
This is the day I'll never forget. I'll never forget the things we saw today. Take them and talk.
And me, I believe this day I'm gonna keep it in my head.
This is from Greek class. This class, when you sit down, you Rudy, can you look at the camera over there? So this is the classroom, that's where they teach, they learn from here. And which lesson are you doing this moment? History, yeah. They have a history lesson.
Say it again.
My name is Agnes Kabori. I'm informed you.
Thank you. Next.
My name is Jackson.
Douglas Kimani.
I'm doing well and I'm informed you.
Yes, more informed.